Hi everyone, my name is Jason Ibabana. I am 21 years of age and I'm currently residing here at Cebu City, but I'm originally from Bohol, Tagbilaran City. I consider myself an ambivert type of person. I tend to show my extroverted side only to my family and my friends and become an introvert when I'm in an unfamiliar environment. So I'm currently a third year student studying at University of San Jose Recoladas, located also here in Cebu City, and I'm taking a bachelor's in business administration, major in financial management. So my current hobbies as of this moment are playing video games such as Valorant, Mobile Legends, League, Genshin. And aside from video games, I've been frequently going to the gym now. I do some light weight, some light exercise, some Pilates, and I do jogging or the treadmill for my cardio. And aside from those, I've been going to the pool lately or the beach because I love to swim.